Hello friends, my name is Amol Zagre and today we are going to see how to read data from password protected Excel sheet. Excel sheet. Okay, so we know that we can read the data from the Excel sheet using POI library. I have explained this in the previous video, so you can get the link in the description, or also you can see this in the I button, right? So we know that how to read the data from POI library, but in case if that Excel sheet is password protected, right? So let's suppose this is the Excel sheet I have created and this is password protected. Password can be set like this, or you will find different ways to set the password to this Excel sheet. This Excel sheet is password protected. Let me just close and open it once again. So I'm just opening it. So it is asking me the password here. So this is password protected. So its password is amol12. So once I enter the password, it opens, right? So right now it is XLS file. So you can have XLS X file as well, right? So if it is password protected, so I'm going to demonstrate you how to read the data in it. So what we are going to do is I will just create a new Java class. So let's say read Excel password. Okay. So here what I'll do is I will write a method @test. So here what I'm doing is I'll be just printing the data from the Excel and read and print the data. So let's say these two columns are there. So I will take two inputs. So let's say public void read data. Okay, so I will take input as string user as a parameter, first parameter, string password as another parameter. So this is a test. I'm going to have a data provider to it. So let's say data provider is equal to get data. I will create a method with get data, right? And here I'll just simply print uh, user is equal to plus user, right? And let's say system.out.println. So let's say password is equal to plus password, right? So just these two pairs of the data we are going to get from this Excel sheet, but this is password protected. So let me write a normal code which we have, which we generally write for reading the data from Excel sheet. So @data provider. Okay, so let's say public its return type is two-dimensional object array. So public object two-dimensional object array. So get data, and inside this let's read the file first. So file input stream fp is equal to new file input stream. First I will show you the data reading from a normal file. Let's suppose if I have a normal file. So this is a normal file, right? So it has a data. It doesn't require a password to open. So I will write a code by considering this file, and later on I will change the file. So copy path. Okay, so this is the path of the file. Fine. Then yeah, then we use HSSF workbook, workbook HSSF workbook, right? Workbook is equal to new HSSF workbook, right? And here we pass the file input stream object, right? So this is just a name. You can give any name to it, right? It also throws an exception. Let's handle it, right? So how to create this project, how to add which jar files are needed. I have already explained this in another video. Its link is given in the description. Just go through that and you will understand that. Fine. And then next step is find the sheet. So HSSF sheet, let's say sheet is equal to workbook.getSheet. Now because this Excel sheet is having extension .xls, everywhere I am using H. If it is X, XLS X, that time I will use X. That also I will show you. So get sheet, so workbook, pass the workbook here. Sorry, sheet name I need to pass here. So sheet name, what is the sheet name? So I guess a sheet 1 is there. Sheet 1. Let me just see once again. Sheet 1, it should have, yes, it is sheet 1. And then next is what? Read active number of rows. So integer row count is equal to sheet dot get physical number of rows. Okay, and then inside for loop we will traverse integer I is equal to 0, I is less than row count, and I plus plus. Inside this we are going to read the row first. So HSSF, let's say row, HSSF row is equal to sheet dot get row and pass I over here. Then there are two variables, username, password, so I need to create cell for them. So HSSF XSSF cell. So let's say this is for user name. So username is equal to row dot get cell, let's say 0th cell, and then the array we need to create here, right? So two-dimensional object array. So object data is equal to new object row count, and two columns are there, so two, right? So user here, data of I0 is equal to user dot toString dot trim. Okay, so this is for username. And HSSF again cell. So let's say password, this is for password. So again row dot get cell of 1 this time, and data of I1 is equal to password dot get password dot toString dot trim. Okay, and that's it. Return this. Return if everything is perfect. So it will read this Excel sheet. This is the data, and this it will be printed here. Okay, so save this, right click and run. Okay, return data I should write, sorry. Right click and again run. Yeah, so the data is printed. It means that this Excel sheet is read. Fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the password protected Excel sheet with extension .xls. Okay, so it uh, another sheet, it requires password. So this is password protected. Let me show you once again. So if you try to open this, it requires a password. Okay, so if I use this, right click and say copy path, I will copy path for the password protected sheet. Okay, I'm using the password protected sheet now. Okay, and now run the program. So right click and run. There is an error here. So in error it says that So default password is invalid. So it says that encrypted document exception. So password protected files cannot be straightforward read, right? So to read that, we need to do something. Uh, a change need to be done here. So here, instead of HSSF workbook, here I will write. Here I'll write. There is one more interface here. So workbook factory dot right here like this dot create and pass this fp file pointer here. So pass this fp and password of your file, right? So let's say the password of my file is amol12, so I'm keeping it here. So now actually this is in a different format, so let's typecast this. So press alt enter, you can cast it, and now this is done. So that's it, that's the only change you need to do. So once you do this, you'll be able to read this file now. So right click and run. Okay, so you are able to read this. If suppose your file is xlsx, having the extension xlsx, nothing special has to be done. So instead of h, you have to write x, right? So I'll do that also for you. So what I'll do is I'll make a copy of this program. So read excel password, so copy paste password x, and here I will say this is the another file having extension xlsx, and this is also with this is also password protected. Okay, I'm copying the path of it, right? So its extension is xlsx. So what you need to do, instead of h everywhere, you have to make x. So x here, then x here. Import this, also x here, import this, then here also it should be x, here also x, x here. So let's import this also import, fine, and that's it. If this is excel sheet with extension xls x, so just instead of x h everywhere, you have to put x, and that's it. So then also you'll be able to read the file. Okay, you see, so this is the easiest way to read the password protected excel files, right? So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this with your friends and colleagues. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe for more such videos, right? Thank you very much.